Kept the call radio open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. I bet you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirty.
What better way is there to kick off a reset day than with an amazing shower routine? With Native's bestseller pack, you can enjoy every part of your shower routine with their body wash, deodorant, and deodorant and body spray. Plus, their products are clean, simple, effective, and will keep you smelling good all day. Native has a huge range of scents to please anyone, from the subtle sweetness of coconut and vanilla to the salty breeze of sea salt and cedar. Whatever combination you can think of, they probably have it. I went with the coconut and vanilla scent because it reminds me of fall. The coconut paired with the vanilla makes me smell like a sweet, edible dessert. As you already saw, the first step is using the body wash, which consists of clean, effective, and simple ingredients, leaving my skin feeling super soft and hydrated. Step number 2 is using their classic deodorant, which is aluminum-free, non-sticky, and provides up to 72 hours of odor protection. After moisturizing my skin, I lastly go in with the deodorant and body spray, which is vegan and aluminum free. It's super easy to apply and provides instant odor protection, but can also double as an all-over fragrance spray. Get your own bestsellers pack today, which is normally $36, but if you use my link and code DESIREWAY, you can get your deodorant, body wash, and deodorant and body spray for only $24. That's a total of 33% off. What's good, Ray Gang, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Des, and today we're going to get into a fall reset and refresh routine. Y'all, I am not used to the sun setting this early. What's going on? Okay, what's going on? It's only 6 o'clock, like, please. As you guys already saw, we had a very, very, very productive day, okay? I can't even say morning because it's now the evening time. And I did not anticipate my morning / afternoon to go the way that it did, but I was just busy. I had a lot of stuff to get done this morning. And, you know, once you get to like cleaning or cooking or whatever, you just can't stop, at least for me. So anyway, here we are. We are currently en route. Hopefully we make it before they close. Excuse me, we are en route to get our car washed. I just feel like what is better than, you know, getting your car cleaned when you have like a refresh going on. I really want to get the inside like vacuumed, cleaned, the outside obviously washed, and then I'm going to get some little plugins that smell like fall, smell like some cranberry cinnamon type of, you know, that vibe. So that's the plan. After that, we're gonna go to Target and we're gonna, I'm sorry y'all, these roads are treacherous. If you live in Houston, then you know. After that, we're gonna go to Target because I wanna get some home decor. I already got some from Amazon. We're gonna set up our home nice and cozy, and then we're gonna make a dinner, and then we're gonna make dessert, and then we're gonna close out this vlog. I just thought that it would be a fun little, you know, fall reset routine type of vlog. Something different on this channel, but I want to incorporate like one-off videos more than just like weekly vlogs, because I just feel like it's a lot of fun for me creativity wise, and you know, something spice up the content a little bit, you know. All right, we made it, but they're not gonna be able to detail me, I don't think. Y'all don't take Apple Pay? What the? I don't remember the last time I pulled out my damn credit card. We pulling up, y'all. We pulling up. Y'all, does anybody else get anxiety pulling onto these damn ramps? Oh my God. OMG, OMG, OMG. Thank you. I feel like I haven't gotten a car wash in forever. That's so embarrassing. Okay, let's vibe out. Let's vibe out.
Too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Say I drive too fast, move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast.
Woo! That just like made me feel like I just got my whole life together. I needed that. She needed that. Okay. So now, y'all, I really am in the mood for a Starbucks fall drink. I haven't had like a warm drink, like a hot drink from Starbucks in eons. Like I don't even know how long it's been. So I'm about to look up some like popular fall drinks, and we're gonna go get one because I'm craving it. It sounds good, and I just need to get into this mood for this decor shopping that we're about to do. I also just am like craving something a little sweet. I had a nice Greek salad for lunch. I don't think I recorded that, but I'm like craving something a bit sweet. All right, so let's look. There is this page called How You Brewin' that I love, and like they basically have like a bunch of Starbucks recipes and drinks to try. So let's get us a nice hot drink, full drink. Psych, all these are freaking iced. There's another page that I follow though. It's like I keep seeing iced drinks, and I want something hot for once, which is like not like me, but maybe I get something iced, y'all. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Matter of fact, comment down your favorite fall drink from Starbucks right now. Right now. Because I'm gonna use them from the comments and order one after this video, obviously. Maybe I just be basic and get a pumpkin spice latte. Ooh. Ooh. Pumpkin cream. They have an iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte. Maybe I will do a chai tea latte with a pumpkin cream chai tea latte. Not ice, just warm. I'm gonna ask if we can do that. To Starbucks we go.
Thanks to Starbucks. My name is Eduardo. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was wondering.
I'm sorry?
I was wondering, can I order like the iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte but warm instead of cold?
We can make like a pumpkin chai then with some sweet cream.
Okay, let's do that.
What size?
A grande.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it.
Okay, then we'll save for the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, he just hustled me with the sweet cream, but I don't even give a fuck. I don't even care. I just want a fall drink. I just want a fall drink. Y'all, the worst is when you pull up and your money's not loaded on the thing. I'd be like, You know that Nicki Minaj song?
Hi there, PA12. Thank you.
So World Market is right there. I feel like we should go there.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice one.
You too. I'm so happy I came to this one because World Market is right there and that is going to be a perfect place for home decor. Okay, so we are in front of World Market, but before we go in, we're going to try first impression. This is the order. It is 1 grande chai tea latte, 4 pumps pumpkin sauce, and a splash of vanilla sweet cream. Okay. Okay. Screenshot. All right, let's try it out. I'm not exaggerating. This is so, what? What? Wow, I need to recreate this at home. Whoa. Nah. I'm not over exaggerating, y'all. I could drink this whole thing right now. Wow, it's so rich. Wow, if you like pumpkin, if you like chai, whoa. I need to slow down because I'm inhaling it. I'm gulping it, actually. Okay, relax. That's what relax. Like when I like stuff, like when I really like it, I get so passionate about it. Y'all know that by now. This is so good. Starbucks. Let me find out y'all putting crack in y'all's drinks. Because this should never be this addicting. Stop. Look at how cute. It's like an acorn. And then look inside. It's a candle. That's cute. It's a potted bouquet. Success. We got a lot of really cute stuff. My total came up to like $130, but I'm happy. I'm happy with the stuff that I got. I think that the setup is going to be super cute. So next we're going to Trader Joe's because I want to make this truffle pasta. I just feel like fall is about like warm comfort food. And for me, like some spaghetti or like pasta just, chef's kiss. It just is like so comforting to me. And that's what I want. I want pasta with the red sauce and some garlic bread. So that's what we're making for dinner tonight. And then we're gonna make a dessert after. I'm super excited for the dessert. So now we are heading to Trader Joe's.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be still in love. Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be. Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be. Are you gonna be? Say you're gonna be.